You are making Bisibele Bath wrong. Today I will show you easiest and tastiest hotel style recipe you can make at home. First, take a pressure cooker. Add 1.5 cup of Toor dal, some water, 1 spoon of oil and half spoon of turmeric powder. Mix well, close the lid and pressure cook for 1 whistle. Now open the cooker. Transfer for another bowl. Take same pressure cooker. Add some water. Add 1.5 cup of Sona Masoori rice. After boiling, then add chopped vegetables like beans, now khol, potatoes, green peas, and carrot. Mix everything well, close the lid and cook for 1 more whistle. Once cooked, open the cooker. And add the boiled dal. And mix well. Add salt to taste. Add tamarind water. Now add sambar onion. Cook it. Next step is take mixer grinder. Add 3 spoons of homemade Bisibele Bath powder, half cup grated coconut and grind it. After grinding, add to the cooker and mix well. Add some water. Mix it well. Next, take a pan, add 4 to 5 spoons of oil, one spoon of mustard seeds, add some cashew, five to six red chilli, chopped capsicum, and curry leaves. Make a tadka. See how the Bisibele Bath boiled and the color was so nice. Add this hot tadka to the Bisibele Bath. Mix it well and see that beautiful color and texture. Finally, our tasty Bisibele Bath is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you.